Dear students, welcome to my new course. We'll start with the basics and work our way through everything step by step with a hands-on project. By the end of this course, you will be confident in deploying a project and automating the deployment process using CI/CD. I am Jahidiron, a software engineer with over 10 years of experience. My goal is to make the course easy to follow and interactive, sharing the knowledge I have gained over the years. Now let's dive into the course agenda. We will start by exploring the fundamental of web deployment, including how a server processes request and response. You will also learn how Nginx handle request forwarding through reverse proxy. Since we are deploying a web project, we'll need a cloud server. We'll use AWS as our cloud provider and walk through the process of setting up an AWS account. Once your AWS account is ready, we'll launch an Ubuntu Cloud machine on AWS and configure the server by installing the necessary packages. We will also cover how to install and configure Nginx on the server, which will act as our reverse proxy. Security is a crucial part of deployment, and AWS security group are an essential concept. We'll go over how security groups work and why they are vital to the security of our server. Next, we'll move on to setting up a domain for our project. We'll purchase and configure a domain for the application, handling everything by hand. Once our domain is set up, we'll install a free SSL certificate to ensure secure HTTPS connection. Finally, we'll wrap up the course by configuring CI/CD automation. We'll set up two pipelines, one for production server and another for staging server. This course is designed for those looking to start their DevOps journey, and I am excited to guide you through it. I hope it will be valuable for you as you gain the skills needed to deploy and manage web projects in the cloud. I look forward to seeing you in the class.